Hello, good day. So we are going to talk about the laws for exponents. And yeah, so good ta. Okay. So first one, pinaka simple. So this is addition of exponents. So a raised to m times a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Oops. Okay. So what happens here? Notice nga ang aton nga base pareho sila. It's just like x cubed times x squared. Oh, yeah. So with that, ang aton na base x pareho. So x raised to 3 plus 2 ni siya ang aton nga i-answer. This becomes x raised to the fifth or x raised to 5. Okay. Another, pwede man na makita ka mo 3 squared times 3 cubed. Yeah. 3 squared times 3 cubed is equal to 3. Pareho ila base nga 3 raised to 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 raised to 5. But if it's a number, you can solve that with your calculator. 3 raised to 5 is equal to 243. Okay. A little bit harder siguro. What if it's 3x squared times x cubed? Oh no, paano niyo siya miss? Ano na? So, as you may know, may hara kita sa coefficient diri nga 1. 3 times 1 is just 3. Just copy 3. But, you have similar bases here. Si x. So, x raised to 2 plus 3. And this finally gives you 3x raised to 5. Okay. And last one, medyo complicated pa gid para sa same Japon nga law. Okay, what if x cubed y squared z times x y z cube, okay? Cube times y. Z ah. So what if ang mani makita nyo? Okay. Now, you can see nga mayara kita sang common bases. First one is x. Pila ka x ang makita naton? We have 3 plus, mayari na di sang exponent nga 1 but we don't write that. We just know there's 1 there. Y, you have 2 and then another invisible 1 right here and another one right here. Next, z. May isa man ta din, hindi lang kitaon. Plus, may 3, plus, may isa pa gid. And to simplify this, becomes x raised to 4, y raised to the 40 what, and z raised to 5. Final answer. Alright? And that is your adding exponents na law. Okay. Let's move on to the next. Kung baga daw kung gamultiply ka mo, amo na ga-add ka mo sa exponent. Kung ma-divide ka mo, ma-subtract ka mo exponent. Just like this one. We have here the same bases a. One is raised to m, the other is raised to n. So you have your base a again, raised to m minus n. And this is called subtracting. Nami ako nag-give exponents. Okay, example, x raised to 7 over x raised to 5 will give you x raised to 7 minus 5. Simplified, this is x squared. Okay. Same will apply with numbers. 4 raised to 8 over 4 raised to 6 will give you 4 raised to 8 minus 6, which is equal to 4 squared. And since it's a number and you can use your calculator, just answer 16. Okay? Raise. La 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 la. Medyo budlay. X cubed y squared over x y. Okay. So you have two bases here. You have x. The first one, ang sa numerator, it's 3. minus sa denominator, it's 1. Times y, ang aton nga numerator, it's 2. Ang aton nga denominator, it's 1. So, simplifying, this becomes x squared y. Okay? And then, what if? Isang ko niliwat. X to the 4th, y 5th, z cube. Oops, cube na siya ha. And then, x squared, y cube, z to the 5th. Okay. We have x 4 minus 2. Diba? 4 minus 2. Y, 5 minus 3. Z, 3 minus 5. Simplifying, that's x squared, y squared. And then, z, 3 minus 5 is negative 3. This is not the final answer because according sa sunod naton karon nga law, this one, if ang imo nga exponent is negative, you should write down the reciprocal of that expression. So, oops. The reciprocal of z raised to negative 3 is z cubed first. Dalo mo siya ibutang ha. So, let's erase this. And, over z cubed. Siya ni ang aton nga final answer. Okay? Oops. Wala pa siya punto. Okay, so, next naman nga set sa examples.